red legs and mommy too. My dear, my not to